Is lemongrass harmful to your liver when consumed regularly? Can drinking lemongrass tea every day lead to long-term digestive issues? Let's find out the natural remedies of lemongrass in today's video. Soothes sore throat. Lemongrass is an effective remedy for soothing a sore throat. It contains citral, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help reduce inflammation and fight off the bacteria or viruses causing the discomfort. Lemongrass also has a mild, citrusy flavor that can be soothing to the throat. To use lemongrass for a sore throat, brew it as a tea by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 10 minutes. Drinking this tea can help reduce throat pain, ease coughing, and promote faster recovery from throat infections. Relieves cough. Lemongrass is a natural remedy for relieving cough. It contains essential oils like citral and limonene, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help soothe the respiratory tract, reduce mucus production, and alleviate coughing. The mild lemony flavor of lemongrass also helps soothe the throat and reduce irritation. To use lemongrass for cough relief, brew a tea by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 10 minutes. Drinking this tea several times a day can help clear congestion, calm coughing, and support respiratory health. Treats athlete's foot. Lemongrass is an effective treatment for athlete's foot, a fungal infection that affects the skin on the feet. It contains antifungal compounds like citral and geraniol, which inhibit the growth of fungi and help eliminate the infection. The anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass also reduce itching, redness, and swelling associated with athlete's foot. To treat athlete's foot, prepare a lemongrass foot soak by adding fresh or dried lemongrass to warm water. Soak your feet for 20-30 minutes daily. This treatment can help alleviate symptoms and speed up recovery. Eases digestive issues. Lemongrass is a popular remedy for easing digestive issues. It contains citral, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and relieve stomach cramps. Lemongrass also stimulates digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes, making it useful for treating indigestion and gas. To use lemongrass for digestive relief, brew it as a tea by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 10 minutes. Drinking this tea after meals can promote healthy digestion and alleviate discomfort, relieves joint pain. Lemongrass is beneficial for relieving joint pain, particularly in conditions like arthritis. It contains citral and geraniol, compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain in the joints. Additionally, lemongrass improves circulation, which can further aid in reducing joint stiffness and discomfort. To relieve joint pain, lemongrass can be used topically in the form of a massage oil. Combine lemongrass essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and massage it into the affected joints to ease pain and inflammation. Alleviates headaches. Lemongrass is a natural remedy for alleviating headaches. It contains compounds like citral and eugenol, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that help reduce pain and tension in the head. The refreshing aroma of lemongrass also has calming effects that can relieve stress and promote relaxation, further helping to ease headache symptoms. To use lemongrass for headache relief, brew a cup of lemongrass tea or inhale the steam from hot water infused with lemongrass. Applying diluted lemongrass essential oil to the temples and forehead can also provide quick relief. Prevents and treats acne. Lemongrass is effective in preventing and treating acne due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The citral in lemongrass helps inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria, while its astringent properties help reduce excess oil production and tighten pores. These combined effects can lead to clearer skin and fewer breakouts. To use lemongrass for acne treatment, apply diluted lemongrass essential oil directly to the affected areas, or use a lemongrass-infused toner. Regular use can help reduce the occurrence of acne and promote a healthier complexion. Natural deodorant. Lemongrass serves as a natural deodorant, thanks to its antibacterial properties that help eliminate odor-causing bacteria. The fresh, citrusy scent of lemongrass provides a pleasant, long-lasting fragrance that masks body odor effectively. Unlike commercial deodorants, lemongrass does not contain harmful chemicals, making it a safer option for daily use. To make a natural deodorant, mix a few drops of lemongrass essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the underarms. This natural deodorant helps keep you fresh and odor-free throughout the day. Repels insects. Lemongrass is a powerful natural insect repellent. It contains citronella, a compound widely recognized for its ability to repel mosquitoes, flies, and other pests. Citronella works by masking the scents that attract insects, effectively keeping them at bay. Lemongrass is a safer alternative to chemical insect repellents, making it suitable for use on the skin and in the home. To repel insects, apply diluted lemongrass essential oil to the skin or diffuse lemongrass oil in your living spaces. This natural method effectively deters insects while adding a pleasant aroma. Eases menstrual pain. Lemongrass is known for its ability to ease menstrual pain. It contains anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic compounds like citral, which help relax the uterine muscles and reduce the severity of cramps. Additionally, lemongrass promotes better circulation, which can further alleviate menstrual discomfort. To relieve menstrual pain, drink lemongrass tea by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 10 minutes. Drinking this tea during the menstruation can help soothe cramps and reduce pain, providing a natural and effective way to manage menstrual discomfort. Reduces fever. Lemongrass is an effective natural remedy for reducing fever. It contains citral, which has antipyretic properties that help lower body temperature by promoting sweating and enhancing the body's natural cooling mechanisms. Additionally, lemongrass has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects that can help combat the underlying causes of fever, such as infections. To reduce fever, brew a cup of lemongrass tea by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for 10 minutes. Drinking this tea can help bring down a fever and provide relief from related symptoms. Promotes better sleep. Lemongrass is known for its calming effects, making it an excellent natural remedy for promoting better sleep. The essential oils in lemongrass, particularly citral, have mild sedative properties that help relax the mind and body, easing anxiety and stress that can interfere with sleep. The pleasant, soothing aroma of lemongrass also enhances relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. To use lemongrass for sleep, drink a cup of lemongrass tea before bed or diffuse lemongrass essential oil in your bedroom. These methods can help you achieve a more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Supports weight loss. Lemongrass supports weight loss by boosting metabolism and aiding digestion. It contains citral, which helps in the breakdown of fats and enhances the body's ability to use stored energy, promoting weight loss. Lemongrass also acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate excess water weight and reduce bloating. To support weight loss, prepare lemongrass water by steeping fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water and drinking it throughout the day. Incorporating this refreshing drink into your daily routine can help with weight management and improve overall health. Improves oral health. Lemongrass is beneficial for improving oral health due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. Lemongrass also has astringent properties that tighten the gums and help prevent bleeding. To improve oral health, use lemongrass infused water as a mouthwash by boiling lemongrass in water and allowing it to cool. Swishing this mouthwash daily can help maintain a clean, healthy mouth and freshen breath naturally. Soothes insect bites. Lemongrass is an effective natural remedy for soothing insect bites. It contains citral and other essential oils that have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and analgesic properties, helping to reduce swelling, itching, and pain caused by insect bites. The cooling effect of lemongrass also provides quick relief from the discomfort of bites. To soothe insect bites, apply diluted lemongrass essential oil directly to the affected area, or make a paste using crushed lemongrass and a little water. Applying this remedy can help reduce irritation and promote faster healing of insect bites. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.